Do 360 proudly introduces the Prefab 5D BIM solution for developers, contractors and prefab manufacturers. The comprehensive solution includes 16 different modules covering end customer requirements and 3D design, overall project estimates, quantities, contracts, and prefab unit by unit BIM follow-up in a clear project breakdown structure. The solution includes also an accurate construction and installation 4D planning as per Do 360 math modeling technique, as well as a full mapping of every design item with all of its required manufactured products. The process starts by quantifying and specifying the end user design for each prefab unit using the Do 360 add-in. Then, the proper contract items, offers, specs and other documents are directly embedded in their right area place in the overall prefab project structure. After that, the BIM design quantities and specs are allocated to the required estimates, contracts and subcontracts for costing and pricing. So, as prefab units are added to the project, the Do 365D system provides detailed data of every single unit and item, as well as a full view of the whole project. The project manager can then automatically explore the overall project costs and prices with all their required resources. Drilling down to any specific individual prefab unit information can also be automatically checked for all its quantities, budgets and prices. As one moves into fabrication, and as design items like this conference set can be differently described in a manufacturing environment, the production manager can map the construction element into its several manufacturing products ingredients such as chairs and tables in this case. The relevant products are then properly defined in the fabrication plant with all their corresponding semi-finished items such as tabletop, table legs, accessories, etc. And the operation of each product or sub-product piece are thus accurately described in terms of machine time, raw material needs and plant labor. The plant manager can then prepare the product's manufacturing batches, and check the resources needed for each batch both in terms of machine time and costs, raw materials and inventory reservations and the required plant teams. An overall project resources requirement management is also available along with an extensive business intelligence analysis. Building on this rich information, the project planning team uses the innovative 4D math modeling technique to link every single item of the project to the Primavera plan, then automatically load all the construction and logistics resources for a cash flow analysis. Meanwhile, the plant operation manager plans the manufacturing batches in alignment with the required prefab installation plan. The manufacturing department can thus track each batch schedule, its detailed work orders deadlines, required machine time, as well as the progress of each semi-finished production. Last but not least, managing prefab projects is about managing change. The Do 360 solution includes all the necessary tools and processes to track, in detail, and in an automated way the required change. Starting from the prefab unit BIM design changes, then to the relevant contracts, then their corresponding planning tasks and most importantly, their plant site, fabrication batches and work orders.